Hi everyone, I want to show you what we do with our electric conversion kits when it's going on an 8-inch wheel bike. So anything from the 50s really, and early 60s with the 8-inch wheel. This is an 8-inch wheel here, it's 350 by 8. Now our hub motors that go on the electric rear wheel is it's actually a 10-inch wheel. But what we do to even up the size is we put a 300 by 10, like a small frame tyre, on the rear hub motor. And to even up the balance, we put a 400 by 8 tyre on the front. It still fits the front rim of the old 8-inch wheels, but it actually increases the diameter to exactly the same diameter of a 300 by 10 tyre, which is like a Vespa small frame tyre. And we also have to do a little upgrade on the stand. So basically we take a 10-inch wheel stand and we'll cut it down, just it effectively becomes like a 9-inch wheel bike overall. Now I also suggest strongly that the front end has a stronger spring and damper, like a 10-inch wheel spring and a really good damper like a Carbone or BGM or SIP or some of them extra strength aftermarket dampers. So this is actually a 350 by 8 tyre, and if you look at it alongside that 400 by 8 tyre, you see the 400 by 8 is a little bit taller. Now that's on our electric conversions, which is what this bike is here. That's a 300 by 10 tyre on the rear. And we're also actually doing it to our 8-inch wheel, a conventional 2-stroke motor. So if you notice, this actually has this is also a 400 by 8 tyre on the front, and it raises the bike up a little, again change the stand, and the tyre on the rear of this 2-stroke engine is actually 400 by 8 as well. So it just raises the bike up a little and it retains that classic look, and it's a nice way of doing it without actually the old conventional way. We used to people cut the fork and extend the forks to get the 10-inch wheel in, so that's no longer needed, because this like effectively 9-inch setup is really good. It gives you the best of both worlds. And that's it. Thank you.